Welcome at HSV Technical Molded Parts. HSV Technical Molded Parts is part of the HSV Group company, founded in 1968 and operates around Europe with a turnover of about 90 million euros last year. HSV Technical Molded Parts specializes in large to very large injection molded parts, which we jointly develop with our customers in Europe. The most important thing with developing these parts with our customers is that we joint develop. Joint develop means that we try together with our customers in a partnership to really optimize the parts, not only from during the development, but also when it's already in production. We obviously always look at adding value for our customers, and by doing so we use things like Moldex 3D to optimize the parts for our customers. Since we make large parts, it is important to know that large parts are not small parts which are easily blown up. There is a lot of extra issues with producing large parts. First of all, you have higher investments, difficult and expensive tool changes. So it's very important to get it right first time. And by getting it right first time, we use simulation software like Moldex 3D.
Integrating Moldex 3D into our workflow has significantly transformed our approach to mold design and product development at HSV. Early in the product request stage, we utilize Moldex 3D during feasibility studies, considering a combination of factors. We assess the desired product quantity and quality and explore ways to create the most favorable proposition for our customers. Sometimes we recommend alternative materials or model adjustments to minimize product costs. For instance, when dealing with low order quantities, we might increase wall thickness to avoid complex and expensive hot runners and enable production on machines with smaller clamping forces. Moldex 3D has provided valuable insights, preventing issues we used to encounter by incorporating unnecessary features into molds. As a supplier, we aim to align closely with the customer's perception of the product while maintaining an acceptable cost. Looking ahead, envision Moldex 3D playing a pivotal role in our company's future plans and aspirations. As HSV aims to provide increasing levels of customer support, we strive to incorporate as many features as possible into our products. This approach has led to the emergence of larger and more complex products in the market, something at which HSV excels. Our commitment to collaboration with customers remains unwavering, always grounded in honesty about the feasibility of turning dreams into reality. Moldex 3D is key for that.
Let me share a remarkable success story. We equipped a mold with over 50 injection points, allowing us to produce a double cavity project on a 4,000-ton clamping force machine. Leveraging Moldex 3D, we optimized the position of the injection points, resulting in substantial savings on our investments. Now we no longer need to invest in an additional machine. Having a reliable expected outcome enables informed technical discussions with customers where we can manage their expectations. We utilize Moldex 3D's extensive material database, foaming module and sequential injection model for complex large plastic products, reducing the need for major mold design corrections. These tools enhance our ability to achieve optimal results and streamline the production process. 3D provides in a wide variety of aspects to visualize problem areas during the filling or after demolding and shows if solutions will do the job. As our customers become increasingly knowledgeable due to the growing transparency in the market, we recognize the need to differentiate ourselves. Our goal is to be a well-prepared and knowledgeable conversational partner for our clients. To achieve this, we simulate various options and engage in discussions with our customers. exploring different scenarios together. This approach allows us to provide informed insights and collaborate effectively with our clients. In my experience, Moldex 3D stands out due to its superior features and capabilities. These include accurate simulations, early problem detection, and cost-effective design adjustments. The ability to optimize mold parameters and enhance manufacturability sets Moldex 3D apart from other solutions.
As we see the world getting more complex, customers getting more experienced. And although the internet and AI is opening up to all kinds of sources of information, we still need experienced people to solve technical challenges of the projects for our customers. Moldex 3D is helping our team of experts to minimize time to market by doing projects first time right, and minimizes the number of mold iterations due to the reliable results. We also use the simulation results at meetings with our customers to manage their expectations. HSV looks bright into the future with a lot of new challenging projects in different markets.